So refreshing. All right, friends, I have to tell you about this delicious whole green juice that I have been obsessed with. I have it every single morning. So let me tell you what is in this. We've got kale, celery, apple, and lemon juice. And of course some water to help blend it all up. It's a whole juice. I make it in my blender, and that means that you're not straining out the pulp. So we're getting the beautiful fiber that is often missing in juices. Here is how I incorporate it into my day. It feels so good for me to enjoy it in the morning. So after I've had my coffee, ×2 with heavy cream, this is what I'm having next. It just helps me to get this energy boost. I feel really good after having it, and then I get into all of my other eating for the day. But I absolutely love starting my day with this whole green juice. So I'm gonna show you how simple it is to make, and then you can make it for yourself too.
To make your whole green juice, you're going to start by adding water into the blender. Next, you're going to take the leaves off of the kale stem and put them into the blender. Next, we're going to add celery, our diced apple, and then the juice of 1 lemon. Be sure to take out those lemon seeds. Blend it for high on 30 seconds and then pour it into your cup and enjoy your delicious whole green juice.
All right, wasn't that so easy to throw together? Super fast, comes together, and I will share, my kids love it too. Sometimes I'll stick a little ginger in, and they're not a big fan if I put too much, but this basic recipe that I showed you, they love. I don't force it on them, but every time I make it, I just ask them to raise their hand, who wants some green juice? And 9 times out of 10, all 3 of them, 4 of them I should say, my littlest as well, all of them are enjoying this. It's a great way to get veggies and fiber and antioxidants and vitamins and minerals in the morning, and it tastes so good. So I would love to know if you give this a try. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. You can find the whole recipe if you'd like to see it visually written out over on my website. I'll link to that down below, also with instructions. If you're not a fan of pulp and you do want to strain that out, I share how to do that over in the recipe post as well. So make sure you're subscribed. Love having you here, and cheers to a delicious start to the day.